Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to close board in Trello. This is actually pretty simple and straightforward, just follow my steps. First, select the workspace where you have your board and click on boards. Now select the board that you want to close, so in my case it is this board 2. Now in order to close it, you will have to go right here to the top right corner and click on these 3 dots. Then scroll all the way down until you see Close Board. Select it and confirm it with this red button, Close. And now, as you can see, this board is closed and you can reopen the board right here to make changes, or you can permanently delete it right here. So thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.